Installation of a Roxtec ComSeal transit. To install a Roxtec ComSeal transit, you need the Roxtec ComSeal frame, Roxtec CM sealing modules and Roxtec assembly gel, as well as an Allen key. With a Roxtec ComSeal transit, you can seal openings for cables and pipes in different types of cabinets, enclosures and equipment. Mount and attach the frame. Insert the frame into the aperture. Place the gasket between the frame and the structure. Attach the frame. Tighten the nuts firmly, crosswise and in small steps. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the frame, especially in the corners. Insert cables or pipes. Feed the cables or pipes through the frame opening. Adapt the modules. Adapt the modules by peeling off layers. Achieve a 0.1 to 1 mm gap between the two halves when held against the cable or pipe. The number of layers may not differ by more than one between the corresponding module halves. Lubricate all sealing surfaces on the modules. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the spare modules. Do not remove the core. Install the modules. Insert the modules from the same side as the compression nut according to your packing plan. The modules shall rest against the edge of the frame. Tighten the seal. Tighten the nut firmly. Excess lubricant is a sign of good compression. Make a final check. Different approvals or certificates may include amendments or limitations related to the application. Always read the installation instructions supplied with the product. Disassembly and reinstallation. Untighten the nut. remove the modules needed. Clean and lubricate the exposed sealing surfaces and continue the reinstallation.